Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, July 13th, 2022. It is 4:54 and 10 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, cancer cells. So let's jump to it here. Cancer cells can migrate towards certain sweet spot environments. Study gives insight into how cancer spreads and provides a tool for developing new treatments. Date July 12, 2022. Source, University of Minnesota. The engineers have discovered that cancer cells invade the body based on their environment. The discovery provides new understanding of how cancer spreads and can improve future treatments. In previous study, researchers found that cells have the ability to sense the stiffness of their environment, which ranges from stiff bone tissue to soft fatty tissue to medium stiffness muscle tissue, and their ability to move is dependent upon that environment. And their research showed that the cells can have a sweet spot of stiffness that isn't too hard or too soft, in which they have better traction and can move faster. In this study, the researchers found that not only does the stiffness of the environment impact the speed at which cells move, but it also affects the direction in which they move. For many years, scientists have thought that cells would always gravitate toward a stiffer environment, but the researchers observed for the first time that cells can actually move toward a sweet spot that is more in the middle. And this discovery challenges the current thinking in the field, which is that cells only move toward stiffer environments. The researchers say that this finding will change how people think about this phenomenon. The mathematical model predicted, and researchers showed through experiments, that cells actually can move toward the softer side. During this study, researchers looked at both brain cancer and breast cancer cells. They placed cells between two environments, a stiffer region and a softer region, and observed where they accumulated. The research team also found that some cells, like the breast cancer cells they studied, have a feedback mechanism that causes them to grip more strongly onto stiffer environments, which explains why many previous studies showed cells moving toward the stiffer side. However, if you turn that mechanism off, genetically, the cells will then gravitate more toward the middle. Researchers are basically decoding how cancer cells invade tissue. They don't just move randomly. They actually have particular ways in which they like to move. And if we can understand that, we may be better able to trip them up. The next step for the researchers is to use this information to build a simulator that shows how cancer cells move through an entire tumor, which will help them better predict cells' movements based on their environments. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.